In this video, I'll show you how to sign a PDF file on a Mac. First, open your PDF file using the Preview app. Next, turn on the Markup tool. If you don't see this toolbar, just click the pen icon at the top. Inside the Markup toolbar, you'll find a signature feature. Click on it. If you haven't created any signatures on your Mac yet, you can click the Create Signature button to make one. Your saved signatures will show up right here. You can check out the video link in the description to learn exactly how to create a signature on a Mac. Now, all you have to do is click on the signature you want, and it will instantly be inserted into your PDF. You can use your mouse to move, enlarge, or shrink the signature however you like. Keep in mind that some downloaded PDFs might be locked for editing. If you try to insert a signature and a password prompt pops up, it means the file restricts editing. You can verify this by clicking the info icon on the toolbar to check the permissions for this PDF. If it allows printing, just press Command P. Scroll down to the bottom, click the small arrow, and choose Save as PDF. This new PDF file will have full permissions, and you'll be able to add your signature without any issues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.